A broken bank link in the branch app usually happens when your bank login changes, your connection session expires, or branch can't pull fresh transaction data from your account. By the end of this, you'll know how to fully reset a broken bank connection, how to reconnect it correctly, and how to stop it from breaking again. Start by opening the branch app and going to your connected bank account settings. If it shows an error or disconnected status, the sync has already failed and needs a full reset instead of a quick refresh. Next, remove the existing bank connection completely. Keeping the old connection while trying to reconnect often causes repeated verification errors. After that, reconnect your bank using your official online banking login. Use the same username and password you use for your bank's app or website. If login fails, the issue is usually with your bank credentials, not branch itself. Next, confirm you can still log into your bank directly through your bank's app or website. If that login doesn't work, branch will not be able to connect either. Now check if your bank recently updated security settings or required a password reset. Security changes often break third-party connections even when your login still works normally. If that happened, update your credentials first before reconnecting inside branch. Next, make sure your branch app is fully updated. Older versions can block new connections or fail to save refreshed login sessions. If the connection still fails, sign out of the branch app and sign back in. That forces a full refresh of your account session and clears stuck authentication data. If you recently changed phones, banks, or passwords, the system may require a clean relink before it stabilizes. In that case, removing and reconnecting is the only reliable fix. Try reconnecting on a stable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data. Weak or unstable connections can interrupt the login process and break the sync. Avoid repeatedly trying to log in without deleting the old connection first. That can create duplicate sync issues that make the problem worse. If nothing works, contact branch support with your bank name and error message. To sum it up, delete the broken bank link, reconnect with updated credentials, verify your bank login, and refresh your app session. Next, always reset the connection cleanly, instead of stacking failed login attempts. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more branch tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.